Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your locked Snapchat account. So if your Snapchat says your account has been locked for violating community guidelines, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix it and recover your account. So you need to understand first why your Snapchat account was locked. So Snapchat locks account for several reasons, such as using third-party apps such as Snap Plus or Phantom. Maybe you add too many friends in a short time, or spamming or sending inappropriate messages, or maybe you are violating community guidelines such as nudity or harassment, or maybe Snapchat thinks that you have suspicious login attempts from unknown devices. So if this is your first time violation, you can usually unlock it. So you can try unlocking your account manually. If Snapchat temporarily lock your account, you can unlock it using the official method. So you can just open your browser and go to this page. My Snapchat account is locked, so you can read in here how you can unlock your account. This one, who can unlock my account? So in here you can just tap on this button and choose to unlock. So you can just wait for confirmations and try logging to your Snapchat account again. If successful, your account is unlocked. So you can in here just fill in your usernames and password and just wait for the confirmations. And if your account is permanently locked, you can appeal to Snapchat. So if you see that your account has been permanently locked, you need to contact the Snapchat support. So you can just go to the Snapchat support, and in here you can just choose this one, I cannot access my account. And in here you can choose the reason. This one, I see an error message when I log in, and explain that you didn't violate guidelines and request an unlock here. And you can just submit the form and wait for a reply from Snapchat, because Snapchat usually replies within 24 or 48 hours. So you can just wait. And you can also try to reset your Snapchat password if necessary. So if unlocking didn't work, you can try resetting your password by clicking on the forgot password options when you try to log in, and reset via email or phone number, and after that you can try logging in again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.